Hello everyone. Our book today is about rock pools, exploring rock pools. This book practices the following sounds: sh as in fish, as in head, l as in little, m as in climb. This book also practices the following words: there, cold, hold, time, make, vary. I have a question here before we start. Exploring rock pools. What will you read about on page 6 of this book? Select one answer. Crabs. Good job. We'll read crabs.
Fantastic! Let's go back to the book.
Great, let's go back to the book. Rock pools. Look, the tide is out. It has left pools of water between the rocks. There are lots of interesting animals in rock pools. Let's see what we can find. These are rock pools. So, a small area of water, full of water surrounded by rocks, is called a rock pool. And there are so many sea creatures living there, like starfish, crabs, seashells. Starfish. Starfish can be found in rock pools. They have 5 spiny arms. Their eyes are on the ends of their arms. A starfish's feet are very sticky. This helps it to hold onto things. Starfish have wiggly feet and a mouth under their body. This is a starfish's mouth, and these are starfish's feet. This is its eye, and this its spines, and its arm. I have a question here. What are the parts of a starfish? What is this called? If you still remember. So, this is a mouth, and this is a what? Feet. Mouth, feet. Let's go back to the book. Crabs. Listen.
Crabs. Crabs can be found in rock pools. They hide under rocks or in the sand. Some crabs cover their shells with seaweed to help them hide. Crabs are not fussy eaters. They munch on old seaweed and dead fish.
Okay. These are walking legs, feeding claw, antenna, eye, hard body, the shell, flat leg for digging or swimming. So, where do crabs like to hide? Select the correct answer. Crabs are very good at hiding. They can hide in the sand. Well done.
Oops. Try again.
They hide in the sand.
Limpets. Limpets are a kind of sea snail. They have a shell like a pointy hat that protects their soft body. Limpets eat algae. They use their shell to scrape it from rocks. Limpets make a hole in a rock. This hole is their home. They climb out of their home to feed on algae.
So they climb out of their home to feed on algae. Fish. Small fish can be found in rock pools. They dart into little cracks in the rocks to hide from danger. Fish have eyes near the top of their head. This helps them to look out for danger. Some fish can crawl on their fins. These fish are called blennies. They crawl to a new rock pool when they need to find food. What can you see? Look closely. Which animals can you see?
What can you see? Look closely. Which animals can you see?
I can see a crab, a limpet, seashell, a starfish, a fish, shrimp, prawns, jellyfish, lobster. The tide is coming in. It's time to go. Rock pool quiz. Which animals are these? Number 1. I have a shell like a pointy hat. Who am I? Limpet. Good job. 2. I have fins. So who am I? Fish. 3. I have a mouth but no head. Starfish. Good job. I eat dead fish. Crab. Well done. So you can find the answers to this quiz on page 16. Glossary. Algae. An algae is a simple plant with no roots or leaves. Fins are parts of a fish that help it to swim. Seaweed, plants that grow in salt water. Tide, flow of the seas and from the land. So the flow of the seas to and from land. Fact file. Where are a starfish's eyes? On their head. Good job. Draw it. You can draw and color the most colorful rock pool you can see or you have seen before. You could put in crabs, fish, shells, seaweed, starfish, gold coins, limpets, rocks, shingles. Okay? All right. We finished our book today. I hope you really enjoyed it. Thank you.